unboxing the batteries, Mr. Yusufi. This is Li-ion battery pack, Boss W pack 5.1. It's a 5 kilowatt Deye battery. We want to open this battery. I love it because this type of high voltage battery help to the manufacturer who that need the more power from solar energy. Okay, let's go for opening the lithium battery high voltage.
Okay, we have some cables here, earth cable,
Okay,
connecting batteries together in series,
very good.
and data cable, COM.
Each box have this connector.
Yeah, exactly. And we have the structure
For the
equipment
battery.
here. Yeah.
Very good. Okay, in this video we wanna test something with inverter. Our cluster box voltage range is 200 volts until 1000. If we mix in series 4 pieces battery, we have only around 210. And when we discharge this battery, we want to test when voltage come down less than یا علی چه سنگینه 1 2 3 Okay. Okay. What we have on battery, Mr. Yusufi?
Yeah, we have two COM connectors here.
Okay.
From connecting the batteries together.
Very good.
One for the past battery and it's for the next battery.
Okay.
And this is the main connector for putting the batteries in series.
Okay, very good.
And we have the information of battery here, BOSW pack 1. And we have the nominal capacity 100 ampere
Okay.
and nominal energy 5.12 kilowatts.
Very good.
And nominal voltage 51.2. Charge and discharge current, as we said before, it's 100 ampere.
Thank you so much. خلاص. Okay, very good. Now we must put the control box here. Our HV box and Yusuf, come here, come here. I want to introduce you to your camera. Here's Yusuf, my colleague. Come here, come here. Here's Yusuf, my colleague. He guide you in Arabic language about solar energy for Syria, Lebanon, and the GCC country. Thank you, Yusuf. Bye bye. How are you? Welcome. Okay.
Okay, we have all the package here and it's all ready. Now we have to connect the batteries together and to the control box to connect it to the inverter charge.
Very nice. Okay, what we have here. Please attention to this type of connector. This connector is for BMS. This connector connect and make a communication between the BMU of all battery to main BMS to HV box. Okay, Mr. Yusuf, please connect this and show to our watchers. Here you are.
Okay, all the COM connectors are connected together and we should have a diffuser for closing the last one.
Very good. If you start for power cable from top to down is very better because my camera now
Okay.
it have a good focus. show this long cable to the main camera for our watchers and introduce it. What is this exactly?
This is a negative cable.
Okay. Why it's so long?
Because it's be used to connect the control box to the last battery in the bottom.
Okay.
Yeah, it should be long because of that.
If we use 70 pieces battery to this cluster, we don't have any worry about the longest of the cable.
Yeah. It's
very
all
good.
connected now. Yeah.
Okay, would you please turn on the battery now? Nice. Very nice.
Yeah, we need to set up the number of batteries on the control box.
Okay.
I can't remember the password. Do you remember?
Maybe
47, yeah?
4 pieces 8. Maybe 4 8.
4 8. Neither of them. Maybe 5. I'm not sure.
Maybe 1 2 3. Yes.
Yeah,
1
it
2
was
3.
1, 2, 3. Yeah, the number of batteries are 4. And
Again, make it in 4. If we have error again, you must do something, I think. Check the BMS cables.
Yeah. Let me restart it again. Maybe we have problem in COM cable. There should be another COM cable for the control box.
Exactly. Sometimes happen. You install everything, but you have error in our cluster. It's about the BMS cable. COM cable maybe sometime make a mistake in system. Maybe sometime we must change the BMS cable, reversing, maybe it work. It will work. کدومش درست هست؟
1 2 3.
Okay, no alarm and
Yeah.
it can. Okay, this voice I wanna check for you again. Turn it off. We have some voice. This voice, it means I am working truly and I'm working for you very well. Let to show you this voice to you. It's better than Indian music or another noise around us. This voice exactly. When you hear this voice, you know system is working very well. And check here, no any error. Let me show on this camera to you. Let me, okay. No any error, and we have 15% of energy here. Mr. Yusufi, would you come here to open the menu of the cluster to show the number of battery? Okay, how many pieces battery we have? Exactly 4 pieces battery we have here. 210 volts.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go for installing the inverter. Come here, come here. Come here, Ammar. I want to introduce you to camera. Come here.
Hello,
Mr. Ammar. If you buy anything from AGS, Mr. Ammar arranging these things from Dubai to everywhere.
Yes,
Isn't
I'm
it?
the logistic here in AGS International.
Okay.
And I'm Syrian, 24 years old. What else should I say?
24 years old?
Yes.
Really?
Yes.
He's younger than me. Very good. Thank you so much.
Thank you, Mr. Amir.
You're welcome. Okay. Mr. Ashkan, let's go for carrying our lovely inverter. %50 all battery have energy, because when you want to ship one battery from China to another countries, you must keep the energy in the half or middle of capacity, because if you charge it and send it in fully charged, maybe make damage. Mr. Ahmed, come here. Mr. Ahmed, come here. Every day,
Okay.
he talk to the customer,
Yeah.
and every customer need discount from Ahmed only.
From me?
Yes.
I
Ahmed give them discount.
Okay. When you tell me you will come from Mr. Amir, I will give you 2% discount. Direct.
Thank you so much. 2% is two more. Very good. Thank you so much. In this case, if you have a more sound now, Ashkan go to make coffee, and this sound come from Ashkan. He making coffee, and this voice come from coffee maker. Welcome. How are you? Welcome to our showroom. Where are you from? Where are you from?
From Mali.
Mali. Very good. Nice to meet you.
There you go.
Your mic is on. Okay, good. We have coffee from Mr. Ashkan. Let's go. Now we wanna connect the HV box to the.
First,
Let me change the
let's turn off the control box. After connecting, we will put it on.
Very good. If you can.
It's the positive cable.
Okay.
It's all done.
Very good.
Now first we put the inverter on off switch.
Okay. Switch
First-
is off.
We turn on the control box.
Very nice.
It's okay.
Okay. Let's go to.
Turn on the
Turn on the inverter. Okay, what's happened now?
Okay, the inverter is on now, and we have the picture of load here, picture of battery,
Okay.
but it's not set on lithium battery yet because we
Why?
haven't connected the BMS cable to the control box.
Okay.
And we have the solar panel picture here, which we don't have any solar panel here.
Okay.
And the grid is off because we haven't connected the inverter charger to the grid yet.
Very good. Okay.
Okay.
If we don't put the inverter on the lithium, it can work for you, but it's not good for charging or charging the battery. And if we check which type of. Okay, now we have error. What is this error?
This is BMS connection fault.
Okay, let's go to connecting BMS. Which type of battery?
This is the lithium type, but we haven't connected the BMS cable. We can put it on use battery voltage.
If you have a gel battery, or if you have another type of battery, you can use it on use battery V. Use battery V, it means you can set the discharge and charge range voltage. Okay, let's go for connecting BMS cable. Okay, we connect the PCS output for connecting and communication between cluster box to our inverter. Okay, after connecting the LAN wire from cluster to inverter, you must set again from lithium use, use battery V to lithium. Let's go,
Yeah.
Mr. Yusufi.
Let's change the setting.
Okay.
We have battery sitting here, lithium is chosen. Now it's takes several seconds.
After a little second, inverter recognized the lithium battery.
We
Now
have the BMS information here,
Okay.
LIBMS. We have the information of the control box there, the temperature, battery current, voltage, and capacity.
very good. Thank you so much, Mr. Yusufi. And it's time to testing our system. As we talked about it after drinking and finishing the coffee. Okay, Mr. Yusufi, what we have to test this system?
Yeah, we have a hair dryer which is 1500 volt wattage.
Okay,
Yeah.
very good. This type of load is not three phases load, but we just want to make a small test and show you the output and another things and detail. In the site, we will show you the original test with three phases load. Let's go for testing our little load, and we will meet you again in our site. You can watch this total video on our YouTube channel, and please give us your comment and suggestion, because we need to make all of this type video for you. Thank you so much. Where is the screwdriver? Oh, screwdriver is here. Good. For safety, we must to turn off the inverter, and after that we can connect the output wire. Now we want to connect output load here for generator and here for grid. We want to connect this load. Okay,
Yep.
this is our neutral, and here is our line 1, line 2, and line 3, because this inverter is a three phases inverter. Where is our hair dryer?
Yeah.
Okay, hair dryer is on now. Let's check the output voltage.
Yeah, in phase number 1 we have 1441 wattage.
Okay,
We are seeing the
1400.
totally power here, 1528.
Okay, very good. We must make some test for our customer. Please turn it off. We must keeping this hair dryer on for decrease all the voltage of battery. Thank you for watching us in this video, and in the next show we want to test another things from our company. If you have any question for designing or purchasing solar things, please call us and send us your comment and your direct. Thank you so much. Thank you, Mr. Yusufi, for your time.
Thank you.
Subscribe us and call us for consultant. خلاص؟
خلاص.
خلاص.